Hey everyone, Logan here, and we're talking about the Ogden Marathon. By now your training and running should be pretty in-depth, but did you know that what you do after your 26.2 miles is just as important? And so today we have a sit down with Dr. Steve Scharmann from the Porter Family Clinic here at McKay-Dee Hospital. And he's going to talk to us a little bit about tapering after your race.
Tapering is all about recovery. It's recovering your physiology from the stresses and strains of the program you've been on so far. The longer the race, the longer the duration of the taper. In the case of a marathon, it's usually recommended you begin a taper about 3 weeks prior to the race. Half marathon, maybe 2 weeks, 10K, 5K, probably get away with just the week before. So if you've been working for a marathon goal, you've been training for 6 months or so, then certainly you've put in a lot of mileage, you've ramped up, and now is the time to ramp down. A proper tapering technique can add as much as 10 to 15 minutes in your finish time in a marathon, which is pretty significant, and increase your enjoyment of the race so that you're not toast at mile 20. This is all about recovery. I think sometimes we underestimate the stress that it places on us to have a 6-month training program with that kind of mileage as you're preparing for a marathon. It just takes our bodies longer to recover. And certainly the older that you are, the longer that recovery time is going to be. Make sure that you aren't instituting anything during this 3-week period of time that is new and novel that you haven't already done. This implies that during your 6 months ramp up or whatever that you've done for this race, that you've practiced your nutritional needs and what kind of sport drink you might want to consider, what are your electrolyte requirements, your shoe wear, the clothes you're wearing, that you're not trying anything new and novel. All you're doing is just worrying about recovery.
Next time you join us, it'll be from the Ogden Marathon. Go ahead and keep an eye out for me and our McKay-Dee Sports Medicine team, as we'll be there giving medical coverage every step of the way. Good luck to all the runners, and we'll see you then.